Have you noticed how fast the world is changing? Every week there's a new AI tool, a new app, a new system, something that does what we once thought only humans could. And just like that, and the world shifts again. Some people panic, others freeze, but a few quietly move forward. What makes them different? It's not luck. It's not even intelligence. It's behavior. AI isn't the real threat. The real threat is staying the same. Because while technology evolves every day, many people don't. They keep doing the same things, thinking the same way, reacting with the same fear. History has always repeated this pattern. When calculators appeared, teachers thought students would stop learning math. When the internet was born, many said it would destroy creativity. And now AI. But technology doesn't destroy us. It just exposes who's willing to adapt and who isn't. So what's the one behavior that separates those who thrive from those who fall behind? It's not coding. It's not creativity. It's curiosity. Curiosity is the bridge between fear and progress. It's the voice that says, "What if I try?" instead of "What if I fail?" The creators who use AI to enhance their art, they're not being replaced. They're evolving. The writers who use ChatGPT to test ideas, they're accelerating their learning. The designers who let AI sketch faster, they're freeing their creativity. They're all curious, and curiosity keeps them ahead. You don't need to master every new tool. You just need to explore them. Because curiosity does what fear never can. It keeps you moving, even when things feel uncertain, even when you don't know where to start. So the next time a new technology appears, don't rush to judge it. Don't shut it down. Ask this instead. How can this help me grow? That's the difference between people who watch the future happen and those who shape it. In the age of AI, it's not intelligence that keeps you ahead. It's adaptability, not control, but curiosity, because those who stay curious will never be left behind. If this made you pause, reflect, observe how you respond to change, because how you behave today decides your tomorrow. BehaveYour